In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to link time logs to specific tasks or deliverables. It's a quick and effective way to ensure that every hour worked is tied directly to the right project, helping you stay organized and improve productivity. Now, this process might seem tricky at first, but it's actually straightforward once you know the steps. You don't need to be a pro at using software, just follow along and I'll break it down for you. First, you want to make sure that your time logs are set up with clear labels. Most time tracking software lets you assign a category or tag to each time entry. This is where you start linking things together. Whether you're using our software or another tool, creating tags for different tasks or deliverables is essential. These tags are like shortcuts that tell the software exactly what task the time entry corresponds to. Now, let's talk about how to assign your time logs to specific tasks. You'll need to find the option to link or associate your time log with a task. In most time tracking tools, this is as simple as clicking on the log entry and selecting from a list of tasks or deliverables you've previously set up. If you haven't set up your tasks yet, go ahead and create those tasks in the system first. It's a simple step, but crucial for making the time tracking work for you. Once your tasks are set, it's time to associate them with your time logs. In most tools, you'll see a drop-down menu or a field where you can select the task your time entry should be linked to. This is the magic moment where you actually link the time to the right task. You can even add additional notes to the log, like which specific deliverable or part of the project the time entry relates to, giving you more flexibility and clarity. If you're dealing with multiple deliverables or tasks for a single project, the software often lets you split your time across multiple entries. For example, if you work 2 hours on one task and 3 hours on another, you can easily break those into separate time logs, keeping everything organized and accurate. Now here's a quick tip. After linking your time logs to tasks, make sure to review them regularly. It's easy to forget to associate a time entry, and you might end up with unsorted or unlinked entries that don't reflect the actual work you've done. This is where our software really shines. It helps automate the linking process, reducing the chances of missing an entry, and you can even run reports that show how much time was spent on each task or deliverable, making your project management a whole lot easier. I've tried the most popular software options out there, and I can confidently say that this software will save you a lot of time and frustration when linking time logs to tasks. In fact, I've secured an exclusive free trial for you in the description below, so if you want to follow along with the exact process I've shown here, make sure to grab that offer. Key takeaway: linking time logs to specific tasks or deliverables is a simple but essential step to stay organized and efficient. By using tags and linking time entries to tasks, you make it much easier to track progress and stay on top of your projects. To recap, make sure your time logs are clearly labeled, link them to tasks using the software's options, and review them regularly. And remember, you can grab an exclusive free trial of the software we used in this video by checking out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.